Hey everyone, Ipsy here. Today I am going to show you how to do a slip stitch. This stitch is very important if you are finishing off a piece of crochet or joining a round or anything like that. There are lots of different reasons why you might use a slip stitch. So for today, you will need a hook. I am using my trusty E-hook again. I do suggest you use an H or an I hook. It's a little easier when you're getting started, and you will also need some yarn. This is a weight 4 worsted weight yarn. So to start, you're going to do your slip knot, and then you're going to do some slip stitch or some chains, I should say. If you don't know how to do these yet, I do have a tutorial on how to do these, and I suggest you start there. Okay, so I'm going to do 11, 9, 10, 11. All right. Now, this is a super simple stitch. It's totally different than the rest, or well, not totally, I guess, but it's a little different than the rest of them. So you're going to, like always, skip that first chain, go into the next chain, and then you're going to pull through both loops, just like that. Super quick and easy little stitch, okay? So you're going to go into your next chain, loop that around, pull that through, and then pull that through that next one on your hook. Okay, so you insert, loop around, pull through 1 and 2. Okay, I'll show you one more time. Okay, so you go in, you loop it around, pull through both of them. And I am going to finish up my row, and I will catch you guys when you are done with yours as well. All right, and that is it. That is totally done on that row. Now, if you were to do another row of this, you would chain 1, and then, so that one's my chain, that little tiny one, and then you would go through both of those loops. Okay. Now, I do not like to do slip stitches on top of slip stitches. It's very difficult to get through that. And it might just because I have a tighter tension than a lot of people, but it's not easy. Okay, so yeah, go through that. Remember, it's going to look like a V. Okay, pull that through the one and then through the second one. So it is doable. It's not the most fun thing to do in the world, but it is doable for sure. And that's it. Super, super quick and easy stitch. You don't usually see a slip stitch in a row like that. It might be for an edging or something like that. If it is, oftentimes it's part of a bigger stitch. So it's important to know, will you be using it like the single crochet in a big row? Probably not, but it's good to know still. If you guys liked this video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and tell your friends. I hope to see you all soon. Bye.